Volkswagen Beetle 1.8 turbo dipstick tube is broken. I'm Brian Esser from Automotive, and I'm going to show you how to change that. Start by just pulling whatever remaining left of your dipstick out. Go ahead and pull that out, and then as you can see, this one just disintegrated in pieces. So if you can try to help it, you want to try not to break it down below. What I like to do is just kind of, as you can see, it broke like that. So what you're going to have to do now is get, depending on how it broke, is see this piece. If this piece right here broke inside the tube, then you need to get a pick, slide the pick in there and pull the remaining plastic pieces out. But in this case, since it broke on the outside of the tube, what I'm going to do is a screwdriver and put it down there on the lip of it, and I'm going to smack the end of it, and just basically I'm going to break the rest of the plastic pieces off. And you can see the dipstick, the remainder of the dipstick is gone. Here's the new dipstick tube and part number. So now you're going to take your new dipstick, and you're going to put the this end right here. It hooks onto this little nipple here, so you're going to take it with the flared end like that, so you go down. So you're going to put it over the tube like that, and once you get it in there, you'll feel it's kind of start. Then you also want to make sure that it lines up with the with this little ear, this right here. When you're satisfied it is, then you just take your thumb on it and kind of push it down until you hear it snap. And that's pretty much it. Oh, it may not make a snap sound, but you know it's on there and it's solid. And now you can take your dipstick and put it in there. And that pretty much completes the dipstick tube replacement on a Volkswagen Beetle 1.8 turbo. I'm Brian Esser from Automotive, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching our videos. I encourage you to subscribe for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again.